Okay, first one of the afternoon on this gorgeous Thursday. This is a returning client with his lovely little Triumph Tiger. We did do this once before, about this same time last year. We did a full works package on it last time, which would have included all the machine polishing and ceramic on all the bodywork. As you can see, it has held up lovely. All the chrome spokes are all very nice, no rust on them, all the discs are nice. Everything that was protected has been protected. This right here is why it is so important. I can't stress enough to keep your bike properly protected for the winter months, because these do corrode. These spoke nipples, they're all chrome and they usually corrode if they're not properly protected. So we're going to do a full Monty Valet on this, get all that exhaust all minted up like new, and get a fresh coating of XCP on all the motor, suspension linkages and all those spokes, ready for the months ahead. We'll get some fresh lube on that chain. Like I said, it doesn't look too bad, just needs that little bit of topping up with the corrosion protection. So yeah, let's get some cleaning done, get some decontaminating and get it ready. There you go, 2 hours on the dot. This Triumph Tiger has been fully trotted and absolutely gleaming. As I said, this has been done this same time last year. We did a full works package on it, which included all the Ultimax ceramic. This has 20,000 miles on it. I've just refreshed those wheels with a bit of ceramic. The rest of it is perfect. That bodywork is absolutely gleaming. Water just rolls off it. All the exhaust has been minted back up again. All ready for the months ahead. Look at the gloss on that. Get yours booked in now, ready for the winter. Open 6 days a week, satisfaction always guaranteed. 07966 249 963.